水の呼吸を。
Hey, it's TokyoPaul. Welcome to my new cave. Check it out. We've got Charizard on this side. Charizard. We got Dragonite on this side. And we've got Gengar on this side. All the cards are there. All my favorites, which I will introduce in another video. Today we're doing an unboxing. Alright, check this out. Just got this in the mail. Let's open it up. This is the new Kimetsu Demon Slayer Giyu box.
Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba Giyu Tomiyoka 1/8 scale figure. Original selling price is 261.
Now, one reason I really like Giyu is because he's really cool. I like his design of his outfit, and you'll see later that the doll has a very beautiful water decoration around it. It's so gorgeous. So this is the box. The front, there's Giyu. The box looks like to be in great condition. It's just a tiny nick here. Maybe that's what made the decrease in value, but it's very small indeed. And side here, bottom, and then the top. I love these hexagonal designs up here. Okay, cool. Now, let's open the doll. Figurine. Ooh, gotta get my knife. I think Giyu was in the very first episode. I like how he, decided to give Tanjiro and Nezuko a chance. Especially that Nezuko was a demon, so he probably normally would have killed them, but the fact that he gave her a chance and Tanjiro a chance to save her is kind of amazing. People like that are really cool. And Giyu himself is pretty awkward in the anime, right? During the fight with at the Spider Mountain, I'm gonna call it. Giyu had an awkward conversation with the other Hashira, the insect Hashira. So let me open the box now. All right. Wow, this guy is pretty well packaged. He's in between two plastic halves. All right, and we get a little information packet here from Aniplex. Okay, so let's split him open like an egg, but gently. Online, you want to read the conditions. I think they said this one was in pretty close to unused condition. It's held together by tape, so I'm going to cut that open as well. So it was just that the box was damaged, with maybe that corner bump there. But let's double check. Let's check to make sure. And of course, actually, if I get products where it's very clear that it's not as advertised, I definitely usually leave a unhappy review. But usually I'm very, very nice about it, and I do not leave any reviews just because I do not want to affect someone's business. Unless it was clear they had, misrepresented the products or their marketing. Wow. Could have gotten a sharper knife, but I like to err on the side of safety, and I have cut myself before. So here's the figure. Wow, it's a pretty high quality plastic. Check it out. This is Giyu. Wow. Try to keep him in focus there. So I love the design here. Actually, you see a lot of children wearing this design during let's say like in the summer, Children's Day, during festivals. Kimetsu is quite a popular Demon Slayer. Kimetsu is the Japanese name of it, and it's very popular. Look at the quality of this figure. It's like the first time I've bought a almost $100 figure. Its retail price, I believe, is above $100. I will figure it out and check it out. So his base is actually heavier than the doll. I'm gonna put him on a soft padding here. Check out the base here. It comes in. Ooh, I should be careful. Oh, just dropped a piece of protective plastic. This is the base. Wow, it smells a little bit like plastic, but that makes sense. The base is heavier than the doll. This is what I meant by the the water of his attack. He is a water uses water style to fight with demons. Of course, it connects here without any glue into this section. Okay, and then here's a sword. Really cool. Let me see if I can get that. Yeah, sword. I love that the edge is blue. I think this is when he is able to increase the power of his sword after he learns from Tanjiro when they're all powered up at the end. Okay, check it out. And then here is another piece that I will put on later. It probably goes on the back. And I will do another unboxing when I get more figures in the future. I'm gonna put him on the table right there, probably below Mount Fuji. Giyu. And then if I get other figures in the future, we'll do that too. So, first step is to put this piece into that piece I just showed earlier. It's quite, hopefully simple, I hope. Let's see. There's actually another hole here. So, we're gonna match the holes. Hopefully they match. Hopefully they match. It's gonna take a while. I actually find that they don't match me. So I'm gonna figure out what all the holes are about. There's probably another hole I'm missing. As you may have noticed, I'm kind of the type that I don't read directions much, but I will this time. I'm starting to read direction more. What the? It's in the box. Read your directions, kids. Alright, they are in Japanese. I do live in Japan. Oh, they do have some English too. Makes sense. Okay. Here in the diagram, those are where the holes should be. 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have to find the third one. It's all blue, so kind of hard to see. Okay. Oh, there it is. Actually, those footholes are white. So, match them up. The foothole one is here. I just found. One was there. That's where the Giyu's feet go. Hoping my fingers don't scratch Giyu. By the way, I just found out Giyu has a spin-off manga series, and hopefully they do an anime about that too. I always love it when he shows up in the actual anime, but right now they're on a different season. Whoa. Actually difficult to push in. Try to gently push him in. Oh wow, oh, I hope I don't break anything. He is in. Wow. Takes a little bit of push here. Hopefully I didn't damage Giyu. And in the future, hopefully I can find some LEDs to light them up. And of course, this is where they have that L-shaped piece. It goes right here in the back here. It's all blue, so. There you go. Wow. Now we have Giyu the figure. Look at that. That's so incredible. I love the blue. I love how the water swirls. That's the primary reason I got this one. Because obviously there are other models with the other Hashira and the Tanjiro with his breathing and fire breathing. Tanjiro doesn't have a blue doll from this from Aniplex or a from this figure set. That's unfortunate, but anyway, let's put the last piece, which is his sword, right here in this hand, in his right hand. I think you just slide right in. Gotta be careful. I thought of something funny there when I said slide it right in. Okay, so no glue needed. We've got the Giyu figure completed. Check it out. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Giyu Tomiyoka. I love the color of this figure. You've got the blue swirls that are very even and clean looking. The sword that matches, and the hilt that matches his, the left side of his clothes. It's like some kind of a deep reddish purple. You've got all these swirls, even this back swirl that just completes the water swirl behind and in front. And hopefully one day I'm gonna light this up with some LEDs. Okay, I wonder if blue LEDs or purple will work. As you notice in my new place, it's Pokemon. It's gonna be my favorite stuff, right? Pokemon, Demon Slayer. It's gonna have some Dragon Ball. I'm still looking for a good Gundam figure, but Gundam's quite challenging. It takes a lot of building, and I actually am looking to the Metal series. But anyway, this is Giyu Tomiyoka. He's going right here for now. Wow. This is spectacular. How about this? 1 second. Look at that. Giyu Tomiyoka. And in here, I want to get some lighting on him so he is lit up. And yeah, this is TokyoPaul. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe for all videos about Japan. I do live streams. I send out postcards to you guys if you're interested. You join my membership on YouTube or Ko-fi or Patreon for high definition pictures, postcards. And I have a book called Japan Info Guide on Amazon if you're interested in that. And yeah, I'll do another unboxing in the future. I also have released a Pokemon shop hunting video where I found these Pokemon cards, Charizards, Dragonites. I love dragons, and I love Gengar. He's my favorite Pokemon. And oh, actually, there's a good Gundam here from the Yokohama Gundam. Check you out in the next video. Bye.